Today's episode is Warren Cook burps in class / grounded. It was requested by Amber the Moomin fan. Hey guys, it's Warren Cook here, and today, I will burp in class. Here comes the burp. You. Leroy. Who burped? I don't know, but it's really disgusting. I don't know who burped, but it's really stinky in here.
I agree with you.
It wasn't me. It smells like someone didn't brush their teeth. Kirk, who did it? I don't know, but it wasn't me.
That is the worst type of methane ever.
I agree with you. But I don't know who. Alex, do you know who did it? I don't have any idea, Joshua, but it smells like someone ate too much pizza. Wait a second, I know who did it. It was Warren Cook, and he is laughing. Teacher, come here.
Oh my God! Ricky, Leroy, Hernan, Elijah, Angel, David, Jaden, Kirk, Joaquin, Stephen, Joshua, Alex, and Adrian, what's going on here?
Well, Warren Cook just burped in class. And he's laughing about it.
He did what? Oh, by the way, thanks for telling me, Adrian.
You're welcome, teacher.
And Warren Cook, get over here right now.
Uh-oh, I'm busted.
Did you burp in class, instead of saying excuse me?
Yes, I did. I burped in class.
That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
I really hate it.
So Warren Cook, what are you doing in my office?
I burped in class.
Warren Cook, you know you're not supposed to burp in class. That's it, you're suspended until winter. I am calling your dad and that's final. Hello. Is this Warren Cook's dad?
Yes, I am. I am Warren Cook's dad. So who's this?
This is Principal Huerta.
So Principal Huerta, why did you call me?
Guess what Warren Cook did?
What? What did he do?
He burped in class, so I suspended him until winter. Can you pick him up early?
Yes, I will. And Warren Cook is in so much trouble. Bye.
Warren Cook, you need to stay here until your dad gets here. If you don't stay, I will extend your time of suspension.
When Warren Cook's dad arrived.
Come on, Warren Cook, we're getting in the car right now.
But Dad, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
No!
It's too late to apologize. I won't cut it this time. We have arrived, now get out of the car and get inside of the house. Oh my God. Warren Cook, how dare you get suspended for burping in class? If you need to burp gas, you should have covered your mouth. But no, you burped in class by giving yourself a suspension. That's it. You're grounded until your school suspension until winter is up. Go to your room right now.
What?